In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Einstein Activity Capture as part of your Salesforce AI Associate certification. Preparation. This is a straightforward process designed to enhance your Salesforce experience by automating data capture, saving you time, and ensuring your records are always up to date. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have your credentials handy and use them to gain access to the dashboard. Once you're logged in, we can start setting up Einstein Activity Capture, a tool that syncs your email and calendar with Salesforce to automatically track customer interactions. Next, look towards the top right-hand corner of your Salesforce screen. There, you'll spot the gear icon. This is your gateway to the system setup. Clicking on this icon will present you with a drop-down menu where you'll choose Setup. In the Setup area, you'll want to proceed to the more comprehensive Advanced Setup. This section is where you can fine-tune the functionalities available to you in Salesforce. Now, to streamline this process, find the Quick Find box located in the upper left section of the Setup page. It's immensely helpful for locating features without scrolling through long lists. Type Einstein Activity Capture into the Quick Find box and press Enter. You'll see an option labeled Einstein Activity Capture Settings. Click on it to proceed. This is where the magic begins. You'll now connect your email and calendar such as Gmail or Outlook to Salesforce. This integration is what allows Einstein Activity Capture to automatically log communications with clients, saving you from manually entering each email and event. Connecting your accounts not only streamlines operations, but ensures that all interactions are recorded accurately. Once your email and calendar are connected, it's time to make some choices. Consider what type of data you want to sync between your accounts. This could include emails, events, and details like subject lines and participants. You have control over what information is captured, allowing you to customize your Salesforce environment to match your business needs effectively. After making your selections, you're ready for the final touch. Look for the Connect Account button. By clicking this, you are authorizing the sync and officially linking your email, calendar, and Salesforce in one unified system. By completing this step, you're enabling Salesforce to automatically capture all your communications and engagements, ensuring your leads and opportunities remain up to date without extra work from you. And there you have it. In less than 5 minutes, you have successfully set up Einstein Activity Capture, positioning yourself for a more efficient and organized Salesforce experience. Enjoy the seamless transition of your data into the system, and best of luck with your Salesforce AI Associate certification.